Meghalaya Post.news.
Kumba kayo do ade kawe na kayo bala bananam bah haka jela bat hakari hibar kawe bat kabade ru kayo balarim tam po jela bat kalong bar kajing yoman sim yakin nong syong dukan haka de kayo do bau menteri rang ba sarkar jela ukon rat kes sang mam takasngi ulalit ban pli yaw monurim naga benta ban sedang bante ki kampen roy haka de kayo do kabade kayo kabahe tam po jela Kande kejeng pli ya monurim kade hadin bak sarkar kelawan manra iki kampen roy leng bakatanat urban affairs bat ka Shillong municipal board na kabanta ki project balatip kum ka improvement of infrastructure and public amenities in Yodo ha ka bala mangtengka leng ba ka NEC ha pli ya monurim na lor menteri rang ba ukon rat kes sang ba ladon rangkat ru ki sembut menteri sarkar jela uba perstun tensong bat uba snyau balang dhar ka menteri katanat ka kuat kya ka Dr. Ampernindo ki MLA barengkat usim ka hima melim bat ki menteri ka hima na lor ki ofisar bat ki paj nong syong yo hagate ki do hakane singi kita ki he ki han ka sarkar om tang bakilawan ban jurip ya kate ki yo ban pli yo tu monong rim jong ka kampen roy ban pinbit pinbyang ya kate ki yo na ka banta ban sok ki nong syong yo bat ki paj ba balik yo lihan hende hakane singi ka sarkar kala samru iki skim aijing metoy na ka banta ki to ki nong syong dukan hapo kate ki yo
The plant we went up from here. Yes.
Now we share, ma?
Yes.
Comprehensive master plan for development, renovation and improvement of the Yogo market. At mentang ladan ke phase 1 ke pengasang kan ini lagi payment lagi sorak tuan kat kita kelan nangyay kebaat minta kadai nak benda di bandi utility dots kita banting up yang municipal board kadai phase 2 bar phase 3 bagi besar nak kenika phase 1 dan phase 2 phase 3 kabah pengilai phase 3 kalau ini ki next tool berkait nilai improvement nilai fasad improvement nada piknik kabel kibadan jong pawan jong telekom balong bandung sepok dok bamlong imbu dak kerja kan upgrade ada limited position ni kimia nak tu nada piknik jaga syong ki hogas klien syong hogas minta kilong open dan imbu kanopi na jrong kanang ban cover di aku slap aku siap akan protect ini nak slap nak siap masih ada persen the first lane payment with the Soras sponsor is ongoing work, and the second phase is that the Shillong municipal board will pick up the work. Whatever remaining in these two phases will pick up in the third phases. So this DPR also start preparing. So as person like this payment of the dance phase 1 is only 4.6 kilometers, but actually as for this comprehensive master plan is 5.2. Whatever remaining, yes,
and the state government
also sir, in this phase 3, sir. So we do this improvement of the facades of each and every store, sir. Then wherever those in this lane where the hawkers are sitting, sir, then we have a canopy so that it will protect the hawkers from the rains and from the sun, sir. And then also all those covers.
Meghalaya Post.news.